Hi everybody, we're going to talk about aluminum foil today. So I just finally finished an Easter bunny, chocolate Easter bunny. And I have this wrapper left. Now on aluminum, you can tell that it's real aluminum foil if you crunch it and it stays crunched. If it doesn't stay crunched, then it might be lined with plastic and that's going to need to go in the trash can. But a lot of, if your chocolate or your candies, which tend to be chocolate, come in aluminum foil, get all the chocolate off. This was a rabbit again, and I mean, it's very clean. There's no residue on here. And then you're gonna want to make at least a 2-inch ball of aluminum, like that. This is 2 inches. Now, something I remember learning in elementary school is the second finger, the second to the first knuckle right here, this is about 1 inch. And so if you have two of these, so boop, boop, this can go in your single stream recycling cart. Now, this is my second video, so it's not staying very well on this, but there we go. I might have to wrap it one more time with something else. I just keep aluminum foil bits in a little cup that I keep in my pantry until it's big enough. And a lot of lids on dairy products are aluminum foil. So in this ball right here, there is the chocolate bunny, chocolate bar wrapper. There's also yogurt, cottage cheese, sour cream, and some little lids from yogurt drinks. And so I just put them in here, and then when I can get a nice big wad, I make a ball, and again, once it's 2 inches, you can put it in single stream recycling if your recycler allows for that. Now, Balcones and TDS do here, but if you're not in Austin or you don't have those providers, you're going to want to check with your local area about that. Pie or baking, if you can get that clean enough, I mean, it needs to be clean and dry. You can also put that in here. Sometimes you might have to, like, if the edges are okay from a pan, you recycle that part, but maybe trash the middle if it's coated with like chicken or something. And I totally appreciate that tacos seem like a zero waste food, but tacos are usually wrapped in foil, and then you have like melted cheese and bean all over the little like taco foil sheets. I have been unsuccessful at getting bean and cheese off of aluminum foil. But again, that might be like rip that part off and like the edges can be recycled. That's a whole, like, you need a person doing that station if you're gonna do that at an event. Because what usually happens in my experience is people are like, oh, it's recyclable, wad it up in a tight ball with all the taco bits in there, and they throw it in the recycling bin at the event. And that's not gonna work. So now you've just contaminated the recycling stream. Just putting that out there, event people. All right, that's it on aluminum foil today. Thanks.